So let's talk today about hepatitis B and C, and also in context of COVID-19 infection and also COVID-19 vaccination. So hepatitis B is a fairly common infection in this country, with 1 to 2% of the population being afflicted with it. We have almost 40 million people in this country who have hepatitis B and around 20 million living with hepatitis C in this country. Now, with COVID 19, a lot of questions have been raised as to how patients with COVID 19 behave when they have underlying hepatitis B and C infection. Let's start. So, if you have so many people with Hep B and Hep C, they will also get infected with COVID 19. And will the virus behave any differently with them? Will the treatment have any impact on the underlying hepatitis B or C virus? And will the underlying hepatitis B or C virus make the COVID 19 infection worse than what it would be in other patients? So, let's start with the first thing. When the patient comes with COVID 19, unless we test the patient for hepatitis B or C, we would not know that these patients have infection, because most of these infections are absolutely asymptomatic. Unless you test for it, you would never know about it, right? So let's take first hepatitis B infection, which is far more prevalent compared to hepatitis C. Once you test for hepatitis B infection, 70% of these patients in the normal circumstances are carrier, meaning that they carry the virus with them without having any evidence of significant damage to the liver, and the viral load is quite low in these patients. And 30% have active infection with a high viral load, and they tend to damage the liver. So normal circumstances, we would tend to treat those 30% who have high viral load. So far, whatever we have seen in this country, anecdotal data and also the data published from China and various other countries show that it does not behave any significantly different. COVID-19 infection remains the same whether you have hepatitis B or C. Probably no. The answer is probably no. Having said that, COVID 19 changes your immunity significantly. So, and also for the COVID 19 treatment, we give steroids and other immunosuppressants. So, we have to be extra careful when we are giving them high dose steroids and injections like tocilizumab. If you are giving them these medications, if the virus was lying dormant, hepatitis B virus, if it was lying dormant, it can surge its head and can tend to damage the liver further. So during these circumstances, we have to do specialized tests, and many a time these patients need to be given antiviral for a period of time when they are on immunosuppressants. So COVID-19 vaccine is as safe in hepatitis B and C patient as in any other patients. So whatever the small side effects that we have seen with these vaccinations in terms of fever and body ache, malaise, etc. may happen with hepatitis B and C patients also. But it is a must that every patient, including Hep B and Hep C, be vaccinated with COVID-19 vaccine.